Hello.
Hi.
What are you making here, Bing?
Oh, we got up early preparing for adobo and lumpia for Renee and her girlfriend's
Friend, Linda.
Friend to visit us today.
So you're making adobo.
Making
and
adobo
you're making
and
lumpia.
Oh, let me get the lumpia wrapper here.
So tell me, just give me a rundown of your ingredients, how you went about doing this, as far as you've gone here, what you've done.
Well, the ingredients, I mean, a lot of people could look at it online as long as it's Filipino, lumpia, and adobo, Filipino adobo.
Sure.
And so you can have a look at online the recipes and the procedure on how to cook. And yeah, so anyway, lumpia wrapper is hard to get. I mean, it's not hard actually. You know, this is, and be sure to get a separated lumpia wrapper, otherwise it's messy to remove it from one after the other. And
how do you spell lumpia, Bing?
Lumpia.
These are Filipino food specialties, common Filipino foods. Okay. Now tell me about your chicken. What do you put in the chicken?
Oh yeah, I marinate chicken with how do you call this? With the adobo sauce that I bought ready-made. Otherwise you can make your own, but it takes time.
So you buy adobo sauce ready-made.
Adobo sauce.
Can I see that again?
You just have to
Up close.
Marinate it for.
Okay, that's adobo sauce. Okay.
And even there is instruction on how to make adobo here.
And you can't buy these at any grocery store, any Asian.
But it has. I think grocery stores has already Asian section.
But do they always have those sauces that you have? No. But the one that you like so much is SARS in America. SARS.
And SARS.
They have a lot of that.
They have well, only here in Oak Harbor maybe because a lot of Filipinos are here.
Well, I think SARS is kind of known for this.
Oh, really? Yeah, SARS maybe. I don't know. But I have the impression that, you know, every corner here you see Filipinos. So
tell me about this pan. Tell me about that pan.
What?
Tell me about your pan.
The pan?
Yeah.
Oh, the pan is a very good pan, and this is Roger bought it, I heard.
I bought this years ago.
Very good pan, my goodness. For cooking everything, you know.
You can even bake cakes in this pan.
Yeah, because of the cover.
Anyway, we have boxes here because I just relocated about almost a year ago to this Oak Harbor, Washington. I work at the Navy base, and so we're temporarily in this abode. Okay, so Bing, show me this. Show me this here, please.
Yeah, this is to be wrapped now. This is for the lumpia, though.
Okay, so tell me a little bit about your ingredients for lumpia.
It's the ground meat and vegetables, the carrots and cabbage, and you know, you have to cook this separately.
Tell me about the spices.
Now I am making the spices. I have onion, garlic, and fish sauce, and a little bit of those things. I put there sweet sauce. I said sweet sauce, soya sauce. I mean sweet soya sauce and oyster sauce. Very little of them. Otherwise.
What is this? Your sauce there? Is that what I'm looking at there?
No, that's not.
What's that for?
This is eggs to be used for the lumpia. It's a little bit mixed up here.
Explain to me what you do with the eggs and lumpia then.
Yeah, these eggs I a little bit spread around, mixed it and spread around this to make it tastier. Okay. But this is mainly for me to later on, when you wrap this filling of the lumpia, you use this to clip not clip, but to paste so that the wrapper will stay stronger.
Okay.
This eggs, you know. I'm going to use that. That's good. You remind me. I have to
Okay,
use
so
this
is that
on
basically what people need to know about lumpia? You have what ingredients again?
And the ingredients is basically ground meat, carrots,
what kind
cabbage,
of ground meat?
pork or beef. Doesn't matter.
Okay.
Pork or beef, and then cabbage, and then green onions, and of course the usual garlic and onions here that I'm preparing.
Garlic and onions.
I'm using also ginger.
And ginger.
Wait
So
a minute, this must be burned already.
So trying to get a recipe straight exactly is difficult from Bing, but we'll try. So, we have...
I cannot explain right now because my concentration on cooking two at the same time.
Two at the same time. Adobo and lumpia.
Not easy. Adobo
all right.
And lumpia.
Ingredients for adobo are...
Ingredients for adobo is chicken. Look at here. I am cooking it, little bit cooking.
Spices.
And the spices are, you can buy this adobo here. Where is that? Oh my goodness, where did I put it? Yeah, as I said, you can marinate. Yeah, here, the adobo.
Adobo sauce. Anything else?
Sauce. And then I use this soy sauce, different kinds of soy sauce, and teriyaki. And then of course the oysters as usual.
Oyster sauce.
And sweet soy
ABC
sauce.
medium sweet soy sauce.
Sweet soy sauce.
Fish sauce. Do you put fish sauce in there too?
Yeah, maybe a little bit.
A little bit.
It depends on the.
You put vinegar in there?
No, this has vinegar already. The sauce that is prepared already.
Okay. So then we have for the lumpia, we have the lumpia wraps.
Yeah, the wrapper. It's as I said, it's mix match.
I know.
Because I'm doing...
No, it looks like I see MSG there. Do you?
Oh, yeah.
Now, you're a Filipina. And Filipinas will put a pinch of MSG in.
Yeah, very little.
Where many Americans wouldn't touch it.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
But Filipinos have no problem with a touch of MSG. We're talking a pinch, right?
Oh yeah, but this one, bay leaves, is also very important.
Bay leaves.
And then adobo, I use adobo.
Adobo. Seasoning.
Seasoning, yeah. Spice.
All right.
That's it.
Okay.
And then I will start wrapping now the lumpia.
Okay, thank you. Then you wrap them.
Thank you, and I hope you enjoy watching this.
This is kind of a haphazard recipe cooking show, but
Yeah,
our first cooking show. But anyway, she'll wrap them into rolls.
Yeah, and then at the same time, I will cook the adobo. See,
So-
I always used to multitasking.
But the food is incredible. I'll tell you, it's really, really good.
Thank you.
And you're going to make a
Rora.
Filipino dessert later with bananas, aren't you? What's that?
Yeah,
What's that called?
The turon.
T-O-R-O-N.
Yeah.
And we always buy organic bananas, don't we, Bing?
I'll do the turon.
What secret should people know about bananas that most people don't know, Bing? Should I tell them?
Oh, that's my own observation. It's not proven and it's not true. It's not experimental.
They have bananas on their
and bananas
farm.
When I buy, it has to be like chubby looking, and the edge should not show. At the edge of there are lines. It should not show like this one shows a little bit.
Tell us what
but,
you mean by this.
You know, these are lines. It should not really be bulging lines.
They shouldn't be bulging lines.
Yeah, bulging lines. And it has to be round. Really rounded. This is not, but it is round. It is semi-rounded, but because this is organic, I like it.
And we always buy organic bananas. Why do we do that, Bing? Is it because we're trying to be healthy? Obviously, some people think not because we have MSG. But what we do with organic bananas, the difference in taste is incredible. That's the difference with organic bananas.
Organic, I don't mind actually we started this. Roro suggested this at the very beginning, and so I go on, but I don't see the difference.
Oh well, I see a big difference in taste. Big difference in taste.
You see it? I don't.
And we do have some Filipino candies here too. What's that candy called, Bing?
White rabbit, Chinese one.
White rabbit. It's
not
Chinese.
the real one that we have.
Oh,
in the
it's
Philippines.
Chinese.
The Chinese white rabbit.
Okay.
So I have to pre-cook the chicken. I mean pre-fry the chicken that it would turn brown. Now soon I will have to remove this from the frying pan.
And then I will post some couple recipes at the end of this video so you can see what they are.
Yes. I will.
All right. Thank you, Salamat. Salamat po for watching.
Thank you for watching. Sorry, it's a bit hectic
A
here.
little messy.
And real messy.
Little hectic.
But next time, maybe next cooking, I will have to plan it that we will make a video.
We'll do our best.
And then we'll do our best that it's really orderly, following the steps that people, the audience, especially the loving audience, could follow.
Yeah.
Understand.
And our next step, we may be in the Philippines. Who knows?
Who knows?
Okay. Salamat po.
Salamat.
Bye.
Ayo. Salamat.
Bye-bye.
Maraming salamat. And thank you so very much. And have a nice day. Maayong adlaw. Ang Ginoo magubad sa inyo. And then, ingat kayo. Bye-bye.
Bye. Oh, and this is your rice cooker. This is what you get a rice cooker in America from Costco. This is what they look like. Aroma rice cookers. That's a big one. It also serves as a slow cooker.
Yeah.
White rice, brown rice, steam rice, smart steam, low, high, and delay timer. Slow cooker with high settings, programmable, recipe booklet inside. That's a great rice cooker, isn't it, Bing?
Very
We got
nice.
it from Costco.
Yeah. Very nice.
We love it.
Yeah.
And believe me, we have plenty of rice around here, don't we, Bing?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye for now.
Bye.
Bye.